Hello friends. In this video, you will learn how you can add a bookmark. That is, how you can save important websites. For that, you will open your Chrome browser. Here, I'll show you by saving this website. Here, I clicked on the star. You can also press it with a shortcut. If you press Ctrl+D, it will open. From here, click on Edit. Here you can also give it a name. Here we will click on All Bookmarks and click on Choose another folder. Here, you get two options. I'll show you by selecting Bookmark. Here I saved it, opened a new tab, and you can check here. It has been saved in the Bookmarks bar. Now I'll show you how to save any website. For now, I have opened YouTube. From here I clicked on the star, and I will repeat the same process again. And here, I clicked on Edit. Here in the All Bookmarks bar, I left it as is, and clicked Done, and you can check that both have been saved. Now I'll show you our second option. From here I clicked on Remove, and from here I clicked on Choose another folder, and I went to Other Bookmarks and saved it. You can check from here that it has been removed from here. Now to see where it's saved, I will click on the three dots. From here, by clicking on Bookmarks and List, I will come to Bookmark Manager. From here, in the Bookmarks bar, our YouTube is saved, and in Other Bookmarks, my website is saved here. In this way, you can also save any of your important websites in Bookmarks. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, like the video and share it with 3 friends. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.